subscribe. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the latest Trendmood box that I just got in the mail a couple days ago. So I believe it might be volume 34, but I will put it on the next screen. So if that's something that you'd like to see, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so today we're going to unbox this Trendmood box that this is the most recent one. I'm going to put what version it is up in the corner, this corner or that corner. We know smart alecky editing me will catch that. So also I'd like to say I'm having a giveaway for 500 subscribers. So when we get to that point, it's going to contain a lot of the things that were in the last several Trendmood boxes. Plus there's one more thing that I'm going to be including today. So let's go ahead and unbox this, and then at the end of the video we're going to go through a run through of what is in that giveaway, and I will link the video that'll actually show me showing you exactly what the items are. So let's go ahead and get started. I have the steak knife of multifunctions with me, and we're going to go ahead and open this guy. And there's one thing in here that was the main driver for me to get this box. The rest of it, it's okay. I already know that going in. But I believe I only paid, I think this is $42 or something like that. I used the 10% discount, Trendmood discount on it. So the first thing I see here is the Cinnamon Dolce. This is the Tree Hut body scrub, and I already have this, and this is the newer packaging though. And it's cute. This smells really super good. I have one open upstairs that's sitting in my shower right now. But yeah, this is amazing. It smells incredible. Just a really beautiful, beautiful scent. So I am really happy to get that. The next thing I see in here is this Sashu lip liner, peel off lip liner. And this is in the shade Pinked. Some kind of a pink. Yeah, Pinked. 03 Pinked. Now, I have one of these, but I think it's more of a brown and I don't like it at all. I didn't like the effect that it left on my lips. I don't know if it was the wrong shade. I don't know if I'm going to try this one or not because I really didn't like the product. So I'm going to think about that. That might end up being in the giveaway. We'll see. But I do have one more thing that's not in a Trendmood box, but we'll get to that. Put it over here. Next thing I see is a Monday hair repair oil. And what a cute packaging that is, but it's plastic. Really, really super cute. I could always use hair oil. This is Moroccan argan oil and squalane. Interesting. I didn't know that they'd put that in the hair, but yeah, that's cool. Next thing I see is from Vacation. This is the Crystal SPF 50 Invisible Face Gel. I have so much of this stuff. It's insane. But anyway, I guess this is a nice size that you could put in a purse or something and keep with you all the time. So that's kind of neat. The next thing I have is the Pour Amour. This is from Provence Beauty. Clarifying Clay Mask. And I think these are more suited for people who have oily skin. This says for all skin types, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, a clarifying clay mask that deep cleans pores and gently exfoliates for a smooth, fresh glow. Especially great for oily and congested skin. Yeah. So this is more along the lines for somebody maybe has acne, things like that, which most clay masks are. My skin is dry anymore. It used to be oily when I was younger. Really oily, and now it's really dry. So this, I'm probably gonna go ahead and also put this in my giveaway. So there we go. Then I see a product from Unova, is it? And I think this is for the hair. Deep Damage Hair Repair Mask. And I could always use a good repair mask because my hair is, you know, dry, very dry. It's especially dry now because I tried a different shampoo and it just isn't my jam. But I think it's kind of odd in this box that we get 2 hair products. Kind of strange. I'd really like to see them do more makeup, you know, more makeup type of items. And the last thing is why I bought this box, because they have the brand new Squalene and Growth Factor Firming Moisturizer from Biossance. I am one of the world's biggest fans of Biossance, and I have used the oil, the new oil, in this firming same line, and it is, oh, chef's kiss, glorious. And I would run out and purchase another one, but I am on a skincare no buy, and because I have way too much of it. But this is more than $44, so the value of this box is paid for just with this. So I just had to get it, and I really, really, really wanted to try this. Oh my goodness, look how rich that is. Really rich cream. We'll put some on my hand. But I know the oil that is in this line is incredible. Yeah. It's really rich, and, you know, absorbs real fast and no smell. And that's one of the things I like about Biossance, is their stuff doesn't have a smell. I don't care for fragrance in my skincare. So there's that. It says our sugarcane squalane, every Biossance formula is powered by squalane, 100% vegan, molecule designed to mimic your skin's natural moisture. Derived from sugarcane, the powerful molecule quickly and easily absorbs into skin to deliver more benefits of active ingredients more efficiently. And I'm going to have to agree, that's about totally absorbed right into my hand. And I think my dogs are going to start acting up here. So yeah, that is what is in this box. So we have the Squalane, Biossance Squalane and Growth Factor Firming Moisturizer, the Crystal SPF 50 Invisible Face Gel by Vacation. We have the Unova Deep Damage Repair Hair Mask. We have the Province Beauty Pour More Clay Mask, which will be going into my giveaway. We have the Monday Repair Oil for the hair. We have the Tree Hut Cinnamon Dolce Body Scrub. And we have the Little Sashu Peel Off Lip Liner. Okay guys, so that was it. That was what was in my Trendmood box this time. Did you pick up the Trendmood box? What did you think? Let me know down below. It's just such a very good deal. And it's also the only beauty box, or, you know, whatever that I do get. So now we're going to go ahead and go over what will be in my 500 subscriber giveaway. So these are all items that were in former Trendmood boxes, and except for one, that's a new one, and I'll show you what that is. So I had picked up an order from Sephora, and I wanted to do the new Fenty, the lip glosses and things that come out for Valentine's Day. And they sent me 2 of the new What-A-Bee. It's What-A-Bee blank 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 is the name of the gloss, and it's a really like hot pink. And I have a review on this in a different video, and I'll link it down below. But I'm going to go ahead and put this also in this 500 subscriber giveaway. And then, of course, from today's video, we have the Pour More by Province Clarifying Clay Mask. So I'm going to go ahead and go down through the list. There's a Vacation Orange Gelée SPF 30 Sunscreen Spray, the Biro New York Balancing Skin Mist, the Bondi Boost HG Miracle Hair Mask, Hemp's Stardust Body Moisturizer, and that's a big bottle, the Hanny Fatty Acid Moisture Stick, that's for the body, Magic Molecule Antimicrobial Skin Spray, Digi Press-On Nails, Naked Sundays Glow To Go Lip Oil with SPF. There's the Vacation Studio Bronzing Face Drops with SPF 50. the Glossier rosebalm.com lip balm, Beauty of Joseon SPF 50 sunscreen, the entire Trendmood Olaplex Takeover box, which has shampoo, conditioner, the number 6 bond smoother, the number 3 hair perfector, and the number 7 bonding oil. So all those items plus these two guys will be in the 500 subscriber video. So once I get to 500 subscribers, I will do another video. I will go over all the items. Who knows, we might have a few more by then, the way this is going. So thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Please like and subscribe and share if you know anybody else would be interested in the reviews that I do and also the giveaway that I'll be doing. I'd love to have more people join the channel. So thank you for taking the time to watch, and we will see you in the next one.